moving my way to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a fiddler in an old-time string band. My baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Oh, North Country winters keep forgetting me, and I lost my money playing poker, so I had to up and lay. But I ain't turning back to live that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Walking due south out of Roanoke, I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. But he's headed west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. And I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, kiss all your saviors goodbye, offer them up to the dead. No kidding, you know who's right and who got a price on their head. No doubt they'll sell you all out for a pocket full of silver and gold. Way back when they made me one of them, don't you know they're gonna save my soul? I can't hang around with you like this, my friend. Our time's come to an end. I can't play around with you no more. No, I'm seeing this open door. And I know you saw right through me, afraid I'm taking you for a ride. But when you're dead, you're dead. When you're gone, you're gone. I got my cards on both of my sides, and I set out to disappear. And out there I found a new home. Well, listen, Jack, you're on the wrong side of the tracks. At least now I don't have to walk it all alone. Can you hear the sound of crawling flesh now? And if I weren't leaving, would I catch you dreaming? And if I weren't gonna be gone now, could I take you home? And if I told you I love you, would it change what you see? And if I was staying, would you stay with me? And if I had money, would it all look good? And if I had a job now, like a good man should, and if I came to you tomorrow and said, let's run away, would you roll like the wind does, baby? Would you stay? And my heart is dancing to a November tune, and I hope that you hear it singing songs about you. I sing songs of sorrow because you're not around. See, babe, I'm gone tomorrow. Baby, follow me down. And I don't know why I have to, but this man must move on. I love my time here, didn't know till I was gone. November shadow, shade, November change. November spells sweet memories.